beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this easy plantain wine recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, I'll be using ripe plantain for this recipe, and I think I'll advise you use overripe plantain. They actually use overripe plantain. Okay, so plantain waste can be reduced in your home and can be used in several recipes such as plantain wine and more other recipe. Okay, so all we need to do here now is wash our ripe plantain, peel it, and we cut it into smaller size. This plantain wine is made from overripe plantain by fermenting the juice, and this drink is usually produced in the southern part of Nigeria in limited quantity because it is difficult to store. But you can do this now from the very comfort of your home. Homemade recipes are best, safe, and economical. So when I saw this juice first, I was like, what is this? What is this? Because I know there are some failed recipes that I've tried online that didn't make their way here. But this one has been tried, tested, and it is okay. What actually drew my attention was the probiotic part of it because it is fermented. But I don't know how true that is anyway. So you keep this for 48 hours, and after 48 hours, you can also leave it for more than 48 hours. People I saw did theirs for like 3 days, 5 days, and so on. Okay, the more you leave it, the more alcoholic content you have. Okay, I don't want to drink alcohol. Okay, so I actually went for the probiotic content of it. So you can leave it as much as you want if you want alcohol drink. Okay, so now I'll sieve the drink and I'll pour it inside my jar, and I'm gonna store this and serve it chill. This drink was so good and you will definitely enjoy it. Okay, so this juice has a cloudy appearance and also a sweet sour taste. The taste was amazing, and one of the benefits for plantain is that it is good in digestive health. Okay, and that alone attracted my attention. This wine tastes exactly like palm wine, the way palm wine tastes. So those palm wine lovers, here is one recipe for you. So this is my final look. So I'd love you to try this recipe and tell me what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.